Hello everyone. In today's video, we will explore a feature on your iPhone that can help you manage unwanted calls, silence unknown callers. Let's start. To get started, unlock your iPhone and open Settings app. Now scroll down a bit and tap on Phone to access phone related settings. Here is Phone. Scroll down. Then you will find the option of Silence unknown callers. Tap on it. Now toggle the switch next to the silence unknown callers to turn on this feature. Once activated, calls from numbers not in your contacts, recent outgoing calls, or Siri Suggestions will be silenced and sent directly to voicemail. It is important to note that calls from people in your contact and Siri Suggestion will still come through, ensuring you don't miss important calls. So now you have silenced unknown callers on your iPhone. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching.